Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Our Canadian Thanksgiving is coming up this weekend, and I couldn't resist sharing this easy recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my crab stuffed mushrooms. These are pure yumminess. With a lovely combination of ingredients, this tasty appetizer is sure to please everyone. So let's get cooking. We'll start by making the filling. In a mixing bowl, we'll add cream cheese, some mayo, and to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by Miracle Whip, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a couple pressed garlic cloves. We'll combine the ingredients until nicely mixed. Next, we'll add the crab meat and blend it into the mixture. We'll now add pimiento, some smoked paprika, fresh chives, and of course, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix it again until just combined, and before stuffing the mushroom caps, we'll have to taste and adjust if necessary. Another step to do prior to stuffing is to make the topping. So in a small bowl, we'll add breadcrumbs, then Parmesan cheese, and give a quick stir before adding the melted butter, which will help to hold everything together. We'll stir once again and set aside. All right, let's stuff. Using a small scoop, we'll add about 1 tablespoon per cap. I'm very clumsy, so this is a good kitchen tool to use to make a clean job. After they're all stuffed, we'll push the filling down so we can add what's left from the bowl. Depending on the size of your mushroom, this recipe can be good for up to 18 cacks. So, after revisiting them and filling them up more with the rest of the mixture, we'll evenly sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture on top. Next, we'll transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the mushroom caps are tender. We'll remove from the heat and let them cool off for a good 5 minutes. When ready to serve, we'll sprinkle on some fine chopped parsley. And my friends, these are our crab stuffed mushrooms. Easy to make. These little guys are incredibly delicious. They're perfect for entertaining and add an elegant touch to any get-together. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!